Hi you guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Patience. To my existing subscribers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, be sure to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can continue to indulge in the Hot Bella experience. It is Boxycharm box time, you guys, and I am in receipt of 2 Boxycharm boxes for this month, or Boxycharm boxes in this month. I'm not quite sure both of these are April boxes, but we're going to get into more detail about that. You guys have heard me talk about how I was debating on whether or not I should go ahead and upgrade my base box to the premium box. Well, I decided to go ahead and move forward with that. In doing so, I still got my base box for the month of April, but I also got a premium box. And I think this box is for the month of March, or at least that's what my info card leads me to believe. So I'm not quite sure what's going on with the switch, but I have made the switch. I've got 2 boxes, so I'm going to be unboxing both of these. I'm curious to see what the impact of this switchover is going to be to my Luxe box, because now when I look at the Boxycharm website, when I look at my account, it shows that I'm on the wait list for the Luxe box. So I'm not sure what's happening. I'm not sure what I did. I may have done something to totally mess up my subscription, but we'll see how it goes. But for right now, I've got 2 boxes and we're going to unbox both of them. So we're going to start off with the base box. And the theme for this month's base box is Sweet Treats. And this is the info card. This is really cute. Super glad to get an info card. So I think whatever was going on with the info cards before they got that situation worked out, because it seems like I've been getting an info card now in each of my Boxycharm boxes. So that's a good thing. So yeah, Sweet Treats is the theme for this month's box. Really cute. And the first item we're going to talk about is the Natasha Denona Ayana palette. This came in my Boxycharm base box. And I do believe that these are palettes that are specifically curated for Boxycharm, but this is a gorgeous palette. You guys know I love Natasha Denona eyeshadow palette, so super glad to have this. The info card states that this is a special edition palette created exclusively for Boxycharm. There you go. Featuring 5 ultra pigmented neutral cool tone shades in a range of muted browns with a touch of metal green tourmaline. Inspired by the Japanese meaning of aya, meaning color and design, combined with na, meaning elegant, graceful, and delicate, it's the perfect everyday palette to create sophisticated, classy looks as well as evening looks with a super glam finish. Formulated with Natasha's signature blendable, user-friendly formulas and the highest quality pure color pigments, dazzling chroma crystals, and luminous pearls. Suitable for every skin tone, cruelty-free and allergen-free. So this is really pretty. Let's give these a quick swatch. And this is what these look like swatched. And I apologize, I'm not the best swatcher person. So yeah, these are the swatches from this palette. Looks really pretty. I'm sure I'll be able to create some gorgeous looks with this palette. The fact that it is cool toned and the fact also that it is leaning more so on the neutral side, it's going to be easy to make an everyday look or to create an everyday look using this palette. So I'm really liking that. And the retail cost of the Natasha Denona Ayana eyeshadow palette is $48. This next item is from Earth Harbor Naturals, and it is the Aurora Superfood Luminous Ampullae. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly, but let's open this box and see what this looks like. So this is what this looks like, and let's see what the info card says about this product. The info card states, give your face illuminating superfood nutrition with this harmonizing sea greens and cannabis sativa hemp oil, plus pacifying grapeseed oil and neem seed extract. Serenely energize and soothe your skin while revealing dewy luminance. So this is really interesting. This kind of reminds me of a product that I purchased a little while ago from Herbivore. Herbivore is also one of those sativa, hemp, cannabis type of derived products or companies where they make products that are derived from hemp or cannabis and they're used in skincare. So that's what this reminds me of. Let me see if this has a smell, because the Herbivore emerald oil that I use has a medicinal type of smell. Okay, this does have a little bit of a fragrance to it, almost like a earthy citrus type of smell, more on the earthy side. The retail cost for the Earth Harbor Naturals Aurora Seafood Luminous Ampullae is $32. This next item is from Eloise Beauty, and this is the Get Gleaming Body Glow. I love the packaging of this product. This looks kind of luxe, right? This is really nice. The info card states that the Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow, it says that this is a non-sticky and lightweight luminizer that can be applied on all areas of the face and body for a dazzling, buildable glow. The transfer-proof formula is filled with ultra sparkly reflex to radiate your skin. So this is really interesting. Let me just shake this up a little bit and let's see. And pump a little bit of it out. We can see what this looks like. Okay, you can see that. That's what this product looks like. And let's just kind of spread it out a little bit to see what type of radiant sparkly glow we get. And there it is. I don't see a lot of color in it, even though in the bottle itself it looks to have kind of a goldish bronzy kind of color. This is actually in the shade Champagne Rich is the shade that this product is in. But you guys let me know what you think. It just kind of looks kind of clear to me. It doesn't really have a lot of the champagne or gold type of color in it that I would expect. It just looks shiny. It feels very emollient. It doesn't feel like lotion. It feels more like an oiled based product. But the retail cost for the Eloise Beauty Get Gleaming Body Glow is $38. This next item is from Appeal Cosmetics, and we've gotten a lip product, maybe even a couple of lip products from Appeal Cosmetics in our Boxycharm boxes. This product is a liquid eyeshadow. Interesting, very pretty color for a liquid eyeshadow. But the info card states, get glam and glisten up with this new liquid eyeshadow, rich with beautiful color and high shimmer. Yeah, this looks really pretty. Let's open this up and see what this looks like. I like a liquid eyeshadow. I picked up a couple of them from Stila and I like those quite a bit. This is what the actual applicator looks like. This is what the actual shadow looks like. So this is definitely a shimmer shade or a shimmer eyeshadow. Looks really pretty. Let me try just kind of blending this in with my finger a little bit to see how that blends out. Just to give us a little bit better idea. Oh, but that would be really, really pretty on the lid. So yeah, I can't wait to play with this and to try this out in a look. So this is the Appeal Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow and the retail cost is $21. This next item, which is the last and final item that I got in my Boxycharm base box, is from KNDR Beauty, and it is their Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette. This is what the outer packaging looks like. That's kind of cute. I like that. This is what this highlighting palette looks like. Let me swatch a few of these here. Oh, these feel quite buttery. Those are all highlighters. Yeah, so I think I might be able to get some use out of these. And the retail cost for the KNDR Beauty Kinder Glow Highlighting Palette is $15. As usual, I have totaled up the cost of all of the products that I got in this month's base box, in my April base box, and the total cost for all the items that I got is $154. You guys know that my monthly subscription for the base box is substantially less than $154. I'm paying only $25 per month for my base box. My subscription, I pay for it 3 months at a time for the base box. So since I've switched over to the premium box, I'm doing it a little bit differently. I'm only paying for a month at a time for the premium box, so we'll see how that works out. But yeah, again, Boxycharm is an awesome way to try out new products. It's affordable. You get a lot of product for the amount of money that you're paying for your monthly subscription. So very, very happy with Boxycharm so far as it relates to my base box. But now, attitude change, and let's get into this premium box. All right, so first of all, I want to say that I feel like in this premium box, I got the Boxycharm backwash, I got the Boxycharm redheaded stepchild, I got the Boxycharm 5-day leftovers, because this box definitely was not what I was expecting it to be. I have to be honest, it just wasn't. Now, I don't know if that's because of the timing of which I switched over to the premium box. Maybe all of the subscription boxes had already gone out, and because of the time that I decided to switch over to premium, I was just getting whatever was left over. But let me show you guys what I got. The first thing that I noticed was that I got this info card. This is the same theme of info card that came in my base box for the month of March. So I'm getting this card now. So that leads me to believe that maybe I switched over a little bit later in the month. So I'm not getting the April box for premium. I'm getting maybe the March box. But again, all of it is, like I said, it's Redhead Stepchild, 5-day leftover, and Boxycharm backwash is what it is. But you know, we're going to keep going with this. So yeah, this is the info card. So the first item that we're going to talk about that came in my Boxycharm premium box is from Too Faced, and it is their Hangover Good to Go Moisturizer with SPF 25. I like Too Faced. I like all of their Hangover line of product. This is what this moisturizer looks like, and the info card states that Hangover Good to Go protects, giving you the hydrated, glowing complexion you want while shielding you from harmful UVA and UVB rays with broad spectrum SPF 25 protection. This lightweight dewy moisturizer is your daily source of antioxidants, vitamin enriched moisture, and sun protection. So again, I really like Too Faced as a brand, and I like their Hangover line of products, and the retail cost for this moisturizer with SPF is $35. This next item is from Glow Skin Beauty, and this is their Beta Clarity BHA drops. And this is what the packaging looks like. These are drops, so it's got the little dropper. It has a protective seal here, so I don't want to necessarily break open that seal right now. But the info card states, these reformulated drops feature clarifying alpha and beta hydroxy acids to eliminate impurities, rebalance excess oil, and visibly reduce the appearance of fine lines and pores, while radiance promoting retinol smooths and revitalizes. Perfect for all skin types except extremely sensitive. I like a good BHA or even an AHA type of clarifying, gentle exfoliating type of product. I have already introduced retinol into my skincare, so this falls in line with some products that I'm already using. So that's good to know, because anytime that I'm adding something into my skincare routine, I want to make sure that it plays well with other products that I've been using as part of my skincare, because I don't want to do anything to upset the balance of my skin and, you know, cause unwanted damage just by changing out products. So this is very interesting to me. Again, this is the Glow Skin Beauty Beta Clarity BHA drops, and the retail cost is $48. This next item is from Rhone Beauty, and this is the Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm. So this is a lip balm. This is in the color Charlie. This is what this looks like. This packaging is very cute. Very, very cute packaging. I love this. This is a non-sticky alternative to classic lip gloss. This liquid lip balm soothes the lips as it nourishes, regenerates, and repairs. Formulated with mango and grapeseed oils to hydrate and protect. It provides the high shine of a gloss with the nourishment of a balm. That sounds really interesting. Like I said, this packaging is super duper cute. It's got this standard type of lippy applicator. And this is what this looks like. So it does have a little bit of color to it, but it definitely gives you the high shine. It feels really good. The formula seems to be quite nice. This is the Rhone Beauty Kiss My Liquid Lip Balm, and the retail cost is $26. This next item is from Beauty Diva London, and this is the Diva Eye Brush Set. This is a set of 4 brushes, so these are really cute. Looks like these are going to be more detail type brushes. The info card states, perfect your eye looks with this cruelty-free brush set for eyeshadow and eyeliner. So yeah, this is definitely for more detail type work. This feels relatively soft. And yeah, I definitely think I'll be able to use these. And the retail cost for the Beauty Diva London Diva Eye Brush Set is $48. And the last and final item that I got in my Boxycharm Premium box is from Dose of Colors, and this is the Block Party Single Eyeshadow. This is what this eyeshadow looks like, and this shade of eyeshadow is called Reflection. And let me give you a quick swatch of this here. So this is what this looks like. Let me try to build this up just a little bit. Like I said, I'm not the best swatch person, but this is really pretty. I would love to wear this, so I think this would be really, really pretty just as a single eyeshadow on the eye with nothing else. You know, Dose of Colors has some good products, and the info card states, this eyeshadow is packed with multi-dimensional reflex, creating an ultra dazzling finish. Each eyeshadow comes with its own mirrored compact. For this to be a single eyeshadow compact with a mirror, I think it would indicate that it would be suitable to wear with just one, you know, as just one shadow on your eyelid, which is really, really nice. I like the idea of doing that sometimes. Sometimes it's just best to keep things simple. So yeah, but the Dose of Colors Block Party Single Eyeshadow in the shade Reflection has a retail cost of $20. The last item that came in my Boxy Premium box is from IGK, and this is not the first time that I've seen a product from IGK in one of our Boxycharm boxes. I actually got a product from IGK in one of my Boxy Luxe boxes, and I like that product quite a bit. I believe it was a curling mask, and I used it on one of my natural hair wigs, and it worked out really, really well. This is the Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask. And the info card states, this high-powered in-shower treatment performs like a traditional hair mask, but works in under a minute. A multitasking mix of moisturizers, including almond oil and, I don't know if I'm pronouncing that right, I think it's Cupicu butter, deep condition, repair, and strengthen hair, while apple cider vinegar adds dramatic shine. Again, this is not the first time that we've gotten something from IGK in our Boxycharm boxes, and I like the IGK brand. I like their hair products, and the retail cost for the IGK Prenup Instant Spray Hair Mask is $32. So as usual, I totaled up the cost of all of the items that came in my Boxycharm Premium box, and the total cost comes to $209. So there is about a $50 difference, $55 difference or so between the products that I got in my base box and the products that I got in my premium box. You know, that's quite a bit of a difference, I guess, in terms of total cost comparing the two boxes. But I feel like I need to explain a little bit more as to why I feel like I got the Boxycharm Backwash, the Boxycharm Redheaded Stepchild, and the Boxycharm 5-Day-Old Leftovers. Because I've seen other Boxycharm Premium box unboxings, and in each of them you at least got one eyeshadow palette. It may not have been a palette that you absolutely loved, but you at least got an eyeshadow palette. As you guys saw in my Boxycharm base box, I got a Natasha Denona palette. In my premium box for this month, the only eyeshadow product that I got was this single eyeshadow from Dose of Colors. So I'm hoping that maybe this is just a switchover type of issue for me. You know, since I've switched from the base box to the premium box, that's why maybe my items in my premium box are a little bit less than what I expected them to be. But I'm going to continue on with it and see if Boxycharm redeems itself. In most cases, Boxycharm does, but we'll see if they redeem themselves next month in my Boxycharm Premium box. So as you guys have noticed, I'm not doing any type of demo in this video, but I just wanted to show you guys what I got in both the boxes and also explain to you what's happening with my Boxycharm subscription, because I know that some of you have subscribed to this channel because of the Boxycharm's because I know that some of you guys have subscribed to this channel because of my Boxycharm base box unboxings and demos. So that may be switching up or changing up just a little bit. I'll now be doing it on the premium boxes instead of the base box, unless they continue to send me both boxes. I don't know what's going to happen. But either way, I'll continue to do a monthly Boxycharm video. I'm just not sure if it's going to be on 2 boxes or 1 box, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys liked this video. I hope I wasn't too much all over the place. But remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye-bye.